So today it's May 6, 2017, and we are here at the Eldorado Community Preserve, which is on, this is the 300 trailhead on County Road 51, and we're going to be doing some work here today. This is a totally 100% volunteer activity that we do periodically during the year to maintain these trails that are here throughout this 6,000 acre Eldorado Preserve right here near Santa Fe, New Mexico. So here we are at a Eldorado Conservation Committee Trail Day out at the 300 trailhead, and here's Jan Willem showing us modern technology and how modern technology can be used. I believe that this is a rock from the tertiary period of the Cenozoic era, no doubt, and it just goes to show that we are always prepared. We always make sure that we have the proper tools and that we follow proper safety procedures. Yeah.
Modern age starts probably 10,000 years ago.
Very good. And today we're going to be doing some erosion control projects here at the 300 trailhead because, as you can see, it comes down very, very steep, and we're getting a lot of rutting and erosion coming down here to the trail. So that's what we'll be doing today. You see, we got a pretty good turnout, and so folks here are putting in some of these erosion control bars, and then over here we're doing some rock work to work on the erosion. And you'll note we have plenty of tools. Now, John, I don't believe you're doing that to county standards. If it's county standards, you have to have 5 people leaning on their shovels while the other one pounds.
We're working by Caltrans in California.
Oh, very, very good.
Six guys standing and 1 guy working.
Very good. As you can see, we're a very well-run, organized group of conservationists here. So here we are, we're putting in some erosion control bars. The idea is the water comes down the trail, it hits the bar, and it goes off to the side instead of the trail turning into a creek. And so that's what this gravel is for, and then this bar of wood, and then as you can see, the guys are pounding rebar into the ground so it won't wash away first time we have a good rain. So this is one of the older water bars, and you can see that we're just doing this pathway down to the road in the hopes that it doesn't turn into a deep, steep gully. Nothing like these 21st century tools to get the job done. So as you can see here, we've got quite a few trails, and we come out here a couple of times a year just to keep the trails in good shape. And today we're working on this 301 trail right here at the highway where we've got this erosion, but also we'll be cleaning up various different features on up along the trail. So our intrepid crew of conservationists have now resorted to manual labor once again. But you can see already what a difference this is making. Right, so we got these water bars that are going to slow the water coming down. They're going to keep that from being, turning into a ditch. We've got folks over here who are putting stone into the into these ruts that are already coming down the hill, putting stone there to avoid any sort of erosion from happening there. And we'll work on this for about another hour, and then we'll be done for the day. All right, so we've knocked off. It's a little afternoon, and that's what we try to do. We try to have nice short days, and this was the result. So in the before, what we had were quite a lot of opportunities for erosion here. And see, we've built these rock structures here, and this will catch the water as it comes down, keep this from turning into a gully. And then over here on the actual trail, we've installed 2 or 3 new water boards, and we've repaired a water bar that was already here. And that's primarily what we did today. We also had some folks who went over here on the 300, and you can see that they cleaned out some of our rolling dip structures. And that's something that's very important for people to think about, is that once you understand what causes the damage to the trail, it's very easy to prevent it. If you carry a little tool with you when you're hiking, you can easily clean out these structures or build them up if whatever they need. And by doing that, just a little bit of maintenance, a little bit of constant maintenance, then we avoid having to come out here and have a major project. So anyway, we had, I don't know, almost 10 or 11 people out here today. We had old-timers who come out all the time, and we had some brand new people, and so it's always fun, and we'll keep you posted of the next time we're going to do this, and hope you join us then. Thank you.